Hey, it's Becca with Rebecca Reed Creative, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create spaces in your Instagram captions so it's not just one long annoying paragraph. You are going to be shocked at how easy this is. So when you are creating your caption, all you need to do is, instead of doing like space and having the period and then going enter, you need to have no space and then click enter. And do this outside of the app. So do it in a note on your phone, or I love to use the Later app. It looks like this, and I just create my posts, click, and then when I'm creating those spaces, you can see there's just one space, and I immediately enter it and go on to the next paragraph. That's all you have to do. I hope that made sense. If you have any other questions about Instagram or strategies that are best for 2020 or website questions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to create a video for you, and I look forward to connecting. Hit subscribe or the like button. Thanks.